Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 29th of January 2022. Is Polkadot bullish or bearish, right? I know that's a question that many of you may be asking today, and I'm going to show you from the price chart which one is which. Yeah, is the market bullish or bearish in Polkadot? Because answering that question will let us know where the market price is anticipated to go. And I'm going to show you all that without the confusion. So if you guys appreciate the video, welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. And as well, check this out. Yeah, look at this. We are 36,300 subscribers deep into those looking forward to price predictions, trying to anticipate where the market is going to go. Now, if you guys want to get the latest information that I have, where I'm looking forward to these prices within the cryptocurrency market, you have to come to my playlist. Come to my playlist. You guys can see it here. Every video that I've done in price prediction for is right here. Now, if you're interested like in Solana, come here to my Solana playlist, scroll all the way down to see my latest ideas to what I'm thinking the price is going to do, or any other cryptocurrency. Make sure you come here to the playlist to get the latest one, because I know that the YouTube algorithm may actually give you a video that might be outdated. And I want you all to see my outdated videos, my outdated price predictions, because as market continues to trade, you need to continue to come in and evaluate what the situation looks like. All right, so look at this. I did a price prediction in Polkadot right here, okay, on January the 10th. Yeah, so looking at the price go down in Polkadot, I can't really say that I'm surprised. I anticipated that the market in Polkadot was going to fall. So if you saw the video back on January the 10th, you could have capitalize off of that movement to the downside. I told you all then to be prepared for price to drop, and it did. So now look at this, 17.86%. If you were to get out the market right now, you're around 23% right there from a video that we predicted on January the 10th. It's just that simple. So now let's get rid of this and try to answer this question whether or not Polkadot is bullish or bearish. First things first, you see that horizontal line right here on my chart, right? This is going to be a key factor as to what price in Polkadot is going to do next. Yeah, so we need to focus our attention on $20. Whether the price trades below it, we know the market is bearish. If price trades above $20, we know that the market is leaning towards being bullish. Now, for all of these, animalistic terminology that the market utilizes, bearish means price goes down. Bullish means price goes up, okay? So looking at this, just looking at this alone from a daily chart perspective, you tell me, what do you think? Is the chart bullish or is it bearish? Does the chart look like it's going to go up, or does it look like it's going to go down? Let me show you all today. So what do you all think about the market in Polkadot right here? We saw the price get rejected right here on this 2-day price bar, which continues to let us know that the continuation of weakness is still dominating this market right now. We got rejected right there. So we still need to lean more towards the price or Polkadot being a little bit more weaker. Okay. So let's see what's going on in the market in Polkadot on a 3-day. Again, you guys can still see on a 3-day price chart that Polkadot's price is getting rejected. That is not a good sign for us to see price go up. Now, let's try to spread this out further in time. Let's look at this on a weekly time frame. Okay. So you guys can see that the market in Polkadot from the previous weekly price bar saw a very wide spread. You see that? Yeah, we saw a very wide spread. The volume was heavy and we saw the price close off of the lows. Buyers are trying to come into the market here on the weekly time frame. Yeah, around $16. They're trying to approach the market in Polkadot because they're seeing this as an attractive price. So they want to come in and buy as much of Polkadot as possible while they can. Now, let's see this on the monthly time frame. This is Polkadot on the monthly time frame. The last 3 months has been massively bearish in Polkadot. Let's not get it twisted. Let's not let someone try to come in and confuse us to think that the market in Polkadot is bullish. No, let's not do that, because the monthly price chart is not lying to us. This is weakness. Price went from $55 in Polkadot to where we are at right now in a 3-month span. We lost 66% of this value. 66 in 3 months. This is very bearish. Now, let me show you this though, because you may not have noticed this. We are massive trend followers on price charts. We pay attention to where the market is going. If it's going to go up, we want to be prepared for it. If it's going to go down, we want to do the same thing as well. So look at this. Now, this is a long-term trend. Yeah, this is a very entrenched, established long-term trend right now in Polkadot. It's not a coincidence for us to see this market bounce off this trend right here on the monthly time frame. It's not. We saw the same thing happen on this monthly price bar in July of 2021. Now, are we going to see a continuation? Like, is the market going to bounce off of this line and then start to go up? Or are we going to break it? Either or. So we really need to be focusing on what the price is going to do around this area of $20. Okay. Now, let me hit this back over to the daily because I want to show you all this trend. Let's try to continue to follow the market price in Polkadot right here. Now we are establishing the field, right? We got a couple areas that we know we need to focus in on in Polkadot. Right here on this diagonal line, yeah, we need to see the buyers approach. Buyers need to keep the market in Polkadot up on this diagonal line, and the sellers, we would expect them to try to push down Polkadot's price here on this horizontal line. It's just that simple. So as I zoom in on this play, let me show you all the field real quick. Okay. This is our area of contention. This is where we need to be paying attention and focus in on what happens in price right here. So as we continue to see this market in Polkadot trade, and we still see some strength coming to the market, then the probability of us going up increases. But if the market continues to show us weakness, we're going to play the downside movement. So now let's see which one is which. Okay, let's see if we're getting strength. Let's see if we're getting weakness. Because if we're getting strength, we want to come in and play into the market. Now, I'm already here to tell you, this market here in Polkadot is giving us some strength. The buyers are here. I can automatically see that because every time the price in Polkadot tries to fall, it tries to dip, the price close always comes back up towards the middle of the bar. Now, it doesn't mean that we're ready for a monstrous movement higher in price. It doesn't mean that at all because we still got this $20 area as restriction. Let me break this down to you on an hourly time frame real quick. And you guys can see here that literally we're just trading sideways. Now, from my perspective, it does look as if Polkadot is trying to go up. It does look like that. But this indication right here tells you a different story. Now, what I'm going to do, yeah, I'm going to play some strength into the market in Polkadot. Does the market look bullish or bearish? Well, on a shorter time frame, it looks bullish. Yeah, it does. On a longer time frame, it looks bearish. So now you can see how you have to transform your mentality on your time preference. I'm bullish right now into the market in Polkadot on a shorter time frame. So let's do it. Let me show you what my idea is into the market in Polkadot. Okay. Now we're going to continue to be bullish into the market in Polkadot until we see this market price breaks this overall long-term trend. If this market in Polkadot breaks this long-term trend, cut the play. I'm here to tell you this right now and play the market weakness. We're going to continue to come down to like $15. And then the next level is going to be around $13.50. Everything's going to be contingent on whether or not price stays above this overall trend. Okay, I'm telling you that right now. So, in the meantime, we might have a small opportunity to see this market go up in Polkadot. And I'm just going to give you two price targets. I'm not going to be massively bullish. The first one is right there around $19. And now you might want to get this on an hourly time frame. If you watch this video last or a little bit later, you might have missed out. Okay, my ultimate area right there around 20. That gives us around 8.18% profitability into the market in Polkadot. Anything outside of that will be gravy, will just be bread. Okay, so I'm not looking for too much here into the market in Polkadot right now. This is a very short price prediction. I'm not looking for this to happen in the extreme long term, like monthly time frame, because the overall trend is definitely one of downward pressure. I'm just playing this on the shorter time frame, daily, hourly time frame. All right, so you guys can see what's going on into the market. Like I said, $19 first, $20 second. That's it. Okay, now it's your turn. It's your opportunity to let me know what do you all think the market in Polkadot is going to do. If we are able to break $20, then we may see this market in Polkadot try to attempt 22.65, around that area. Okay, now I'm just going to extend it up there just for an idea as to what price can go if it breaks that horizontal line, the $20 restriction. All right, So that's it. Now it's your turn. Let me know real quick. What do you think the market price in Polkadot is going to do as we go into the month of February? Do you think it's going to be a bullish month? Do you think it's going to be a bearish month? Drop me your price prediction so everyone in our community can see your idea as to what you think. Now I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.